Hello and welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make a Swedish sauce, often goes on fish and potatoes, called Hovmästarsås. And this is a mustard, dill, and vinegar sauce. So I'm excited to make this today. I have made a simpler version of this in the gravad video, and this is very often eaten with gravad. Our ingredients are about 3 tablespoons of mustard, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup or so of dill, and we'll also use about a tablespoon or so of this red grape vinegar. This is a very simple recipe, so this won't take us very long, but there is a little bit of technique to it, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is a basic sauce, mucilage-based emulsion sauce here. So I'm going to start by just taking my mustard, and I'll clean the rest of this out of here. And I'm going to add my spices, except for the dill. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vinegar, and I'm going to add that. I'm actually going to use this to kind of clear out the rest of this bowl here. So just mixing that into this mustard here and getting it out. I'm gonna squeegee that out, and then we'll start to mix in our oil. So once all of this is nicely mixed, I'm just going to spoon in just a spoonful or so of the oil. I want less oil than I have mustard, and I'm going to whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. And then I'm going to do this. I'm going to repeat with maybe a little more. And pretty soon, we'll be able to incorporate a little more. So at this point, it's kind of like making mayonnaise, but without the eggs. We're using the mustard as the primary emulsifier. And so yeah. So one thing I want to show you here that you can do with mayonnaise too is you add a little more than you want to work in at once. You can basically work it in from the edge and just basically keep things kind of semi-separate and just kind of work it in slowly. And then as things emulsify, then you can get a little more aggressive. So you can see this is emulsifying nicely, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So I'm in a different bowl here because I did break my emulsion, and I had to start whisking it into another tablespoon or so of mustard. Now this is looking great. So now we will whisk in the dill. And we will season with a little more freshly ground black pepper. So we'll whisk this around again. And the sauce, you'll notice, is nice, thick, creamy, and glossy. If it suddenly thins out while you are stirring everything in, that means your emulsion's broken, and then you have to start whisking it in to some more mustard. Alright. And now for the taste test. I'm just going to try a little bit with the potato. So with the sugar, I was worried it would be sweet. It's not. It's tangy, mustardy, just kind of, it's like mustard but a lot more mild, rich. You can see very quickly why this is such of a classic Swedish sauce. Now I'm going to try some with the fish. Okay, there a little bit of the sweetness came through, but the mustard and the fish kind of blend together just perfectly. So yeah, it's really delicious. Now, if you like this content and you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you. Recipes in the description if you're watching on YouTube or Patreon. Bon appetit. See you next week.